Plug your Wyze Lock gateway into a power outlet near your door. The gateway should be flashing blue and red, showing it is in pairing mode. Follow the instructions in the Wyze app to finish gateway setup. Once that's done, you are ready to begin installing Wyze Lock. Place the adhesive strip over the outside portion of your existing deadbolt to hold it in place. Remove your existing thumb latch from the inside of your door and make sure to save the screws. Insert the screws from the thumb latch you just removed into the front of the Wyze Lock mounting plate. Place the mounting plate on the inside of your door and then tighten the screws. Ensure the tailpiece, the metal rod from your deadbolt, is in the center of the mounting plate before tightening the screws. It's important that you match the correct included adapter with your lock's tailpiece, the metal rod coming out of the center of the lock. If you have a D-shaped tailpiece, you will use the green adapter. If you have a flat-shaped tailpiece and it is either horizontal or vertical, you will use the orange adapter. If you have a flat-shaped tailpiece and it is sitting at an angle, you will use the blue adapter. Find the colored adapter that matches your tailpiece and slide it onto the metal rod with the smooth side going first. Remove the front plate from the Wyze Lock by lifting from the bottom of the lock. Place the Wyze Lock on the mounting plate and ensure it sits flush with your door. If it does not sit flush, wiggle the thumb latch until it sits flush against the door. Manually lock and unlock your door to ensure the Wyze Lock has been installed correctly. If the lock is not turning, remove the Wyze Lock from the mounting plate, turn the knob on the lock 90 degrees, place it back on the mounting plate, ensuring it once again sits flush, then attempt to lock and unlock it again. Tighten the two pre-installed screws to secure the Wyze Lock to the mounting plate. Install the included batteries and secure them by folding down the two latches. Now that your lock has been installed, it's time to set it up in the Wyze app. Press and hold the pair button until the lock beeps, about 3 seconds. When you release, the light should start to flash green. Follow the instructions in the Wyze app to finish setup. Once the lock is connected, put the front plate back on and return to the Wyze app to complete lock calibration. Follow the steps outlined in the Wyze app to calibrate your Wyze Lock. Close your door and manually lock the deadbolt. Then go back to the Wyze app and tap the button. Manually unlock the deadbolt, open the door, and tap the button in the Wyze app. Partially close the door so it is slightly ajar and tap the button in the Wyze app. Close the door all the way and manually lock the deadbolt. Tap Next in the Wyze app. The Wyze Lock should unlock itself and your calibration will be complete. You may always choose to recalibrate the lock in the settings for this lock on the Wyze app. Once Wyze Lock is installed and correctly set up, you are ready to install the optional Wyze Keypad. Remove the cover of the adhesive strip on the back of the keypad mounting plate. Press the mounting plate to the wall. Use the two included screws to secure the mounting plate to the wall. Remove the back panel of the keypad and install the included batteries. The keypad should automatically light up. If it doesn't light up, press any button on the keypad to trigger the backlight. Once you are sure the batteries are working with the keypad, replace the back panel. Attach the keypad to the mounting plate. Press and hold the lock button on the keypad until the light begins flashing green, indicating it is in pairing mode. Follow the steps in the Wyze app to complete keypad setup.